welcome back. It's Shelby and today we are making some Christmas festive holiday jewelry. So this time of year is always the time of year where I kind of want to wear earrings, which is weird because I have my ears pierced and I have since I was a child, but I really only wear earrings for like special events when I want to feel fancy, like a wedding, or if I'm going out somewhere. But then randomly in December I want to start wearing earrings, mainly I think just because of like the sparkle factor. But then it's also a very real thing that like I touch my hair and my face and everything and I catch my earrings and tug on my ears, and that's the main reason I don't wear them. You know, safety first, right? So anyway, today we are going to be making some holiday earrings. So this is great, and this is a craft that I like to do just because I don't wear earrings that often, so I tend to misplace them. But it's a real simple way to create some very festive holiday jewelry for super cheap. And also you can switch it out as much as you want. You don't really need to invest in a, single holiday piece. You can just have like new earrings every day of the month if you want, and you get super creative. So we are going to do 3 varieties today. And basically, I don't really call this like the cheater way, but it's like the why make it so hard on yourself way. So we're just gonna make it the easy way. So I have what's left of my findings kit that is open and dropping stuff everywhere. You can get these super cheap. I think this one was like $2. You can get big ones. The big ones are cool. They have like, compartments for everything. They're in a plastic case. They've got the little tweezers. But I have my little one and it works great. It's got like loops, clasps, dangly earring pieces, long metal pieces. I've got my multi-purpose tool. Go out and get yourself one of these. If you don't have one, go get 2 or 3 because I definitely have a few and they're so handy for craft making. And then for my actual earrings, I found mini ornaments. But these are a beautiful pastel color. I got these at Target in their like little holiday section, and they're kind of sparkly frosted, pink, gold, sparkles, silver. But these two caught my eye, and they're 2 similar ones, and they're like a gold foil, but they're a very pale gold foil. I'll pull them out of the package. And they look like they have some texture to them, kind of like some snowflake type texture. So those are the 2 that I want to do. I also found these, and when I saw them, I actually got them for a different craft that I'm going to be doing later in the year, like kind of a New Year's type craft. But I saw them and they're Christmas ornaments. They're kind of like a North Star, but they've got a loop on the top. And I was looking at them lately and I was just thinking those would be amazing earrings. So these are gonna be earrings too. I have tons of them. I can do my New Year's craft with them as well. And then lastly, I have this thing about sparkly snowflakes. I just love them. I've had a couple ornaments that kind of look like giant versions of what I'm about to show you. And like, I don't know why, it's just like, it's a special thing for me. I love them. So I saw these and they're little mini ornaments, which you can't see because they're white and it's bright. But see if we can like do that. Shadow, background. Yeah, something like that. So they are iridescent snowflakes and I love them, and they're little mini ornaments. And the great thing about using mini ornaments is they're really cheap. Like these were $4. These were $4. This box was $3. So I mean, you just kind of have to look around, but they're very cost effective and you don't need to use them all. You can use 2 of these and then use them for different crafts. So yeah, that is everything I'm doing. I'm making 3 different versions, and basically I'm just using my findings kit and my multi-purpose tool. But if you like the video, let me know down in the comments. I do love hearing from you guys. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and we will get right into it. So the first earring piece that I'm going to do is the mini ornaments. And I could do the pinks. I do like the pinks, but the gold foil one is what caught my eye in the store. So that's the one that I want to do. Wow, they really packaged this well. Let me just kind of open this box real quick. We'll leave one attached. Perfect. These are super, super pretty. Oh my goodness. So these are the ones that caught my eye. They're kind of a matching pair, and they're like a gold foil, but you know how like when there's water on the window and it freezes, you can see the little like fractal things? It's got that kind of texture. Let's see if you can see that at all. Like even a little bit, maybe, hopefully. Not sure, but absolutely beautiful, and they kind of have like a freezing water type texture, which is great for the holidays because, snowflakes, snow, all of that. If you want other ones, they also have the glitters. They have just silver foil and pink foil. Oh, the silver one has the texture too. I like the gold better though. And the pink is just super smooth pink, so that's cool. But basically, like, it's super easy. You just get this. I've already opened my dangly earring piece. You just put it on the loop, close the loop with your multi-purpose tool, and that's your earring. Like, how easy and fast is that? Let's get it to stop moving. There we go. Easy and fast. And I will put these all on so you can see them, but like, super cute, right? Little bit of seasonal decoration, not too much, not super blingy or garish, just kind of like a little nod to the season. But yeah, I love this. So we will do the other one really fast. Like I said, I already pre-opened these loops so I didn't have to like be opening everything on camera. So I'm gonna open that. Just close it. Now we have a set of 2 earrings, like super fast. I love this, it's awesome. So what I mean when I said I open it is, well, this one's open too, but you just come, there we go, you just come like that, and then it's got the little, can you even see that? The little loop underneath, there we go. And you just open it so you can like quickly assemble things. So that's what I did, and yeah, we will get going on the next one. I'm gonna do the North Stars. I'm waiting for the North Stars. These just look fantastic. So these come like that, and they come with this little gold string to, I guess, make them ornaments. So I'm gonna put that back in there, and I only need 2. So I pulled them out, and they have this lovely little loop on the top, and they're all glitter. They're very lightweight, like very, very lightweight. I don't know what they're made out of, but this is not going to hurt my ear at all. See if we can, so the loop is too big for the earring hole actually, but because it's a findings kit, there are links in here, like for a necklace. So I'm just gonna get 2 of those out, which is perfect. So it's just a little circle. You just open it with your multi-purpose tool. So it's like literally just like a necklace length. I'm gonna put that through. Did I make it big enough? Yeah. Just like that. So you have, so it's hanging on a little loop, and then just close it. And then we will put that on our earring. Close the loop, and ta-da! How cute is that? Oh, I can't wait to try that on. That looks so cute. So lightweight, I love that. So we're gonna do the same thing. I've got my link. Going to just open it a little bit. Stick on my ornament. I wonder if I'll have to do these with the snowflakes too. I don't think so. We will find out. It's not that big of a deal. Close the link. Get your earring hook. Close the link, and 2 super cute earrings. These are awesome. These are like amazing. I love these. These I could wear all year round, honestly, I feel like. They're just like little statement pieces. Adorable. So this is what the little snowflakes look like. They're super, super pretty, super cute. So I'm just going to get my little link, put through there. They're too thick of plastic to not use a link. So I had thought maybe I could get away with it. I definitely can't. So just gonna put the link through there. And this is why it's handy to have 2 multi-purpose tools, because sometimes you need 2 at once. I'm going to bend it up. Because it is such thick, let me grab the other one. Because it's such a thick plastic, such a thick snowflake, I'm having a little bit of difficulty getting the links to close the way I want them to. They're trying to just like, I had to open them so far in order to get it to link around and through the hole that they kind of went flat on me a little bit, but I was successful. I did get the link on, so this earring is going to work whether it wants to or not. That's how we roll. Got this. Link that on. Close it up, and snowflake earring. Super easy. I'm gonna do the other one real quick. Get these on my ears so you guys can see what they look like. Okay, so these are the ornament earrings. Sorry, I tried to put them on camera and I have no idea how girls do that. It's not a skill that I possess. Like, I definitely need a mirror to put on earrings, any kind of earrings. I mean, I can line my upper waterline with eyeliner without a mirror, but like I cannot put on earrings, so I guess everyone's got their own talents, right? But these are super cute, very lightweight, they kind of move when you move, so they are fun. And I'm gonna try on the stars and snowflakes, but yeah, super cute, right? And these are my North Stars, which honestly are by far my favorite. I thought it would be the snowflake because I love snowflakes. I also love stars. You guys know that's my favorite shape. These are not a traditional star shape, but they're just fabulous. They're so lightweight, they're blingy, they're beautiful, they're just perfect. I would wear these to New Year's, I would wear these to Christmas party. I'm gonna be wearing these all month long. Like, these are just, I love these. These are by far my favorite that I've made today, and I am so excited for them. And last but not least are the snowflakes, and I do actually really love these, just not as much as I love my North Stars, but these are super cute, also really lightweight, a little bit different. They're not gold, they're that iridescent, beautiful pearlized color, so do love that. But yeah, so mini ornaments are a great way to make earrings. Also, if you're making like gifts for people, like, I don't know, little stocking stuffers or something, very economical as far as gift ideas. So anyway, you guys, I hope you liked the video and the craft. If you did, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I do really love hearing from you guys. I hope you liked today's video. I'm super excited about them, especially the star ones. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.